Hello dear students. In this episode we'll talk regarding the superiority of the Lewis theory with respect to Laurie-Bronsted theory. The concepts we'll keep in mind. You have just recalled, I suppose you have recalled all the previous lectures and you have come back to this episode. Now we are talking regarding the superiority of the Lewis theory with respect to the Laurie-Bronsted acid-base theory. How? See, first of all I would say that Lewis theory is based on electronic structure. Whereas Laurie-Bronsted theory is based on proton exchange only. What does that mean? That Laurie-Bronsted theory requires proton, that is H plus, in a compound, and only then it can recognize a compound either to be an acid or a base, which is not necessary. Proton is not required in Lewis theory, which is otherwise required in Laurie-Bronsted theory. Not only that, here as proton is required, it implies that the reaction will occur only in protic solvents. That means such solvents which contain a proton. Whereas Lewis theory requires no protic solvents, because it is based on only electron transfer, gaining of electron and losing of electron. So no protic solvents are required. So that is how I would say it is much superior to this theory, that is Laurie-Bronsted theory. Here there are so many acids, you can say there are acid compounds which otherwise in Laurie-Bronsted cannot be recognized as acids. For example, if we take BF3, then according to Lewis theory you can say it is an acid compound. But according to Laurie-Bronsted, as there is no proton present, you cannot recognize it as an acid. How can it be an acid? That will be a question mark, because there is no proton. So everyhow I can say that Lewis theory is much superior to Laurie-Bronsted acid-base theory. In the other way you can say so, that all Laurie-Bronsted acids are Lewis acids, but all Lewis acids are not Laurie-Bronsted acids. You can say so. That means you consider any damn compound which is an acid for Laurie-Bronsted. You can say HCl. It is an acid according to Laurie-Bronsted. Then that HCl is again an acid according to Lewis theory. You can consider HNO3. It's an acid according to Laurie-Bronsted. Fine. Same HNO3 is definitely acid for Lewis theory as well. Consider BF3. It is not an acid according to Laurie-Bronsted concept, but definitely it is an acid according to Lewis acid. So you bring down any damn compound which is an acid according to Lewis will not be necessarily be an acid according to Laurie-Bronsted concept. So I have written this statement, intelligent statement, thinking it twice, that all Laurie-Bronsted acids are Lewis acids, but all Lewis acids are not Laurie-Bronsted acids. So this indirectly implies that Lewis theory is much superior to the Lowry-Bronsted concept of acids and bases. I think you have understood the concept very clearly and in depth with respect to all the scientists involved to prove the compounds acid and base, that is Arrhenius. The earlier, you can say the long back episodes given by Robert Boyle, then came Arrhenius, Lowry-Bronsted, and this is Lewis. So these are all the episodes I have put on air, you can say, which I have uploaded to the YouTube channel Saurin.S.Mehta Chemistry, for understanding in simple manner what is the concept of an acid and a base. Prepare it thoroughly. It will help you for many other reactions, and it is a base to the concept of chemistry subject. Whether you get into organic, inorganic, physical, any part, this concept will help you everywhere. See you again next time. Till then, goodbye and do take care of yourself. See you then. Till then.